What's going on? I appreciate you for tuning in because I have something crazy to show you. I have been working tirelessly with my team to build theonlyprompt.com, and what we are is essentially a hub. We created Mac OS in the browser for our interface with our own fleet of tools, our own fleet of inner apps. It's pretty insane. So let me just get to it and show you. Join our Discord, guys. Get on the Discord because this is where things happen. And then check out our website. Everything's on here. You guys can see all the information you need. Want to make an app, want to do proper websites. Developers too expensive, bad at prompting. Don't worry, we cover it all. We cover everything. So pricing is very cheap for the monthly. For what you get, very cheap. And so we'll go back to the top here. And we do have currently our lifetime. So we only have three. Actually, we only have 297 now. Oh, we sold three today. On launch day, we sold three. I'm happy. So come get your lifetime access passes, $99. Then you get access to the OS. See what I mean by a browser with Mac OS in it? It feels like you have your own computer that is AI powered. So you have all these apps in here, and it's insane. And I'm just gonna show you. I already have one set up for what I'm building right now, and so I have my AI assistant, and I have the AI assistant for asking questions. I have the prompt genie in case I want to work on crafting a master prompt. When I want to do a full website, landing page, web app, mobile app. We did a mobile app for this one. I'm like, build me a voice interface application for a mobile mental health awareness app, super responsive and modern UI, nice branding and styling. So I'm going to publish this and I'm going to save this, but we're going to run this one more time and I'm going to show you what it can do. So this is Mind Map, Mind Talk. Okay, we got that. And we are going to open up a new one. Open up a new one. Okay. So we are going to do same thing, but call open AI real time API for voice to voice with AI model. Okay, so watch this. Generate. Let the genie do its wonders. And also here, guys, you can see here, we generated a website for this. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to do a full website. And for this, we'll call it Mind Talk website purpose to showcase our mobile and desktop app. Look at that. Mind Talk. Hold to speak. So that's for mobile. Let's try it again. Make sure it has nice animations and a PFP for the counselor, you, or therapist, or for the companion you wish to talk to. Have a drop down for choices of therapist. Okay, I am going to actually we'll make a new one. There we go. Generate that. Mobile app desktop for our mobile and desktop application. Industry, mental health, health awareness. Key pages. What should we put? I think we should put home, companions, who are we, mission, pricing, how to get involved. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? How to get involved. Modern style. Generate a prompt. We'll let that do its thing. Look at this. We just created a mobile app. My mind is blown. Good job. And you can sell this. So after you build this, you can sell this to people who have an office for this or any of these service providers. You can go and sell this to them. And you can tell them that we can record AI with your voice, use 11 Labs, and now we can pre-record their voice, pre-record them as a counselor, and have them launch an app within their own business. And there you go. There's a side hustle. There is value prop. That's how you can land other clients. So I'm going to publish that. Save this as mental health app V1. And let's take this prompt and let's go. We'll go up to here and let's open up another builder and let that generate the website. So we just created the application. Let's see, what are we at here? We are at 7 minutes. Can we do a website and an application in under 10 minutes? I'm sure we can. So guys, this is the only prompt. Again, you guys can find that here. If you come and you click on the only OS, you guys hit this button, get your lifetime, $99, and you can start building things all day long. If you need a widget for your landing page, you got a funnel, you need a widget for your funnel, this is the way to do it. Let's go back and take a look at that. And we are implementing code spaces, and code spaces will be for all you script kiddies out there, all you code bunnies. You know how to get to the full stack, the production level. We will have code spaces directly here inside of the OS, so you guys can create your projects. We will be running on buckets, S3 buckets, so we will be able to cloud store a bunch of our stuff. And yeah, I would love to see more people and get to know more people who are building in the space. We built all of this. Look at that right there. Let's go check it out. Website. Perfect. Companions, who are we? Mission, getting involved. Look at that. Amazing. So we just got 2 foundations that we just need to do minor tweaking with, and we just create a side business. How cool is that? I want you guys to go to www.theonlyprompt.com and please sign up today. These lifetime tickets will not last. We're going to start turning the ads on, and I don't want you guys to miss your chance. Awesome.